I couldn't continue doing the everyday 9-to-5 grind, waking up every day just to sit in traffic, doing that for the rest of my life, and basically reliving that over and over again.
I was so tired of living paycheck to paycheck. It was getting old too fast.
When I was growing up, I seen so many people, so many families, firsthand, struggling and barely making a living. I knew right then that I had to make a vow to do everything in my power to make sure that I don't end up like that.
Have you ever dreamed of having a career where you could have complete control of your time and your income? Where you can be your own boss and call your own shots? Well, if you have, these next few minutes could change everything for you. Now is the time for you to take control. Led by visionary founder and CEO Les Schlaze, BizToBiz offers an amazing opportunity for people of all walks of life to build a second income business or a possible career change where you can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Les's middle-class upbringing gives him a strong understanding of the importance of work ethic, integrity, helping others, and following a proven system. These components have created the foundation of his incredible track record of success in this industry for over 30 years.
This type of business, it's for you to leverage yourself to be able to get a hold of all that, get ahead of all those things that chokes out the American dream.
I think the insurance industry and its products are good for the average American family because it provides protection. A lot of people are going through life without this protection, and oftentimes when a loved one dies, it leaves a family in a deep hole, and insurance is there to cover that hole.
I feel like this is a great industry to join just because of the opportunity, especially for people in my generation that don't have, a ton of experience or a ton of credibility yet. This is an opportunity for them to come in to something that's stable and, that they can learn and just have an opportunity to grow in business.
We want to be able to help as many families as we can.
Whether the markets go up, down, whatever it is, we're here to be able to help people, and it's something that everyone needs.
And this business will then allow me to make a difference, not just make a difference with people, but to make a difference with people who want to make a difference doing something that makes a difference.
People out there are really seeking for our product and they don't know where to turn to. So it feels good when I get to talk to them, I get to help them.
The average American family needs a safety net that they don't typically account for. And all the insurance products such as health insurance, life insurance, those provide that safety net for unexpected challenges that come down the road.
I don't think it's any secret that in today's world, a lot of people struggle with finance. If you walk down the street and interview 100 people, I can guarantee you maybe 90 of them will say that they're very insecure about their financial situation. And so insurance is a great way to help families understand finance at an elementary level. We're not here trying to make people doctors of finance, but we can help people get from a no understanding of the topic of money to a at least basic level of understanding. And I think that's a need that's very much not addressed in the marketplace.
The problem with most families, it's very difficult to find a business that gives you money and gives you time, and where you could have both. In our business, it gives you exactly that, time and money.
When you're setting a family up or an individual to put their money in a place, like I mentioned before, where you're guaranteed to not lose and pay no taxes, insurance companies are the way to go.
So how does all this work? BizToBiz is simply filling a desperate need that exists in our country today. One of the keys to BizToBiz success is a simple, common-sense approach that gives people from diverse business backgrounds the opportunity to come in and build a successful and rewarding business.
I lost both my parents. Both my parents died at a young age. My mother died at 44, my dad at 68. And what it did to our family was pretty devastating in terms of the financial impact. That's one of the hardest things to do in business, is to bounce back when you felt you were doing great. When you look at a business when you could help families, in terms of their financial situation and teaching them the basics of how money works, you could really feel that you make a difference in someone's lives.
Most businesses and careers force couples to work apart and away from their families and children. Here, we're able to work together and control most of our time and our lifestyle.
Is it for the average family? Absolutely, always.
It gives you not only just peace of mind, but it takes care of the family's legacy as well.
What we're trying to do here at BizToBiz is make the business very simple so that anybody, no matter what your background is or what career path you're already currently in, you could do this business. The whole goal of our company is to keep things simple. Now, some people say, well, Jeff, is that even possible in an industry in the financial services world? And I'd say absolutely. It doesn't have to be complicated. As long as your goal is to help others and make an impact on others' lives, we can create a simple plan for you to succeed.
If what you've heard here today in this short video intrigues you at all, get with the person who shared this video with you and learn more about how Biz2Biz can be your key to building the life you always imagined. Worst case, you should meet to get a free financial review to see how Biz2Biz can help achieve your financial dreams. Don't put this off. Take that next step and take control today.